Mastering Microsoft Excel can be challenging, but with the right tips and tricks, you can become an expert in no time. Here are some resources that can help you learn the ins and outs of Excel. Hi, I am Morry. With over 25 years of experience and over 1,500 real estate transactions under my belt, my team develops tools for realtors, investors, and wholesalers to make their lives easier. In this video, I'm going to show you solutions to common problems. Watch as we dive into these problems. I have an Excel file. The date column is formatted text and numbers. I like to have them just numbers. How can I do this? And no matter what I do, this date does not change, okay? I go here and I change the format of this cell to date. I like this format and it still doesn't convert. What can we do about it? Watch. We're gonna name this one date column. We're gonna say equals by this value minus 1 plus 1. Magic, okay? Now we put the mouse in the corner, double click, and there's the values. But we have a problem. You see here, this is a formula, and I like to keep this one as a value. In other words, if I delete this column, everything falls apart. So what do I have to do? I put the mouse on the top, and I right click, I say copy, and right click again. I say paste this as a value. Now, if I delete this column, nothing happened. Magic. Okay, first one is done. Let's go to the second one. Second one is name issues. Okay, I have a first name and I have a last name. I like to have it first name, last name. How do I fix this? So first of all, I can copy this one and insert it here. So now I have the first name and last name in front of it, but I like to combine them into one as a full name. How do I fix that one? Okay, so here we go. We call this one full name. Okay, equal by fx. We're going to use an option called concatenate. We're going to say equal, and I put the mouse on Elizabeth here, and then I put the mouse on text 2. I add an insert. I insert on a space. I insert on a space. Next, I put the mouse on the last name, cell I2, and enter. Now I have Elizabeth Morris. To continue with this format, I put the mouse in the corner, double click, and here it is. Again, I have a formula here, and I want to save this one as a value. What do? I put the mouse here, copy, and paste it as a value, right? Simple. Okay, so I got a full name. Second one, done. Let's go to the third one. Okay. Third one. Don't you hate calling numbers like this? Who in the world can dial that number? I like to have my numbers the proper format, okay? But how can I fix this one to get this format? This one is real easy. Put the mouse in the corner, we're gonna click on D on top of the column, and then we're gonna say Control F. We're gonna find plus 1, replace it with nothing. Magic, okay. I got rid of the plus 1, but I still don't have the format. Now, this one is much easier than that. Put the mouse on D, right click, we're gonna go to Format, a special phone number. And here we are, done. 3 down, 1 more to go. Some zip codes in a country have 0 at the beginning. It starts with 0. But if you want a mail-merge, well, how are you gonna put the 0 there when the data comes like this? Okay. So this one is pretty simple. Watch how we're going to fix it. We're going to click insert. We like to have a column here, okay? Then I like to put the mouse on edge and right click. I say format this one under the special category and as a zip code, okay? Now, if I click equal with this, you think Microsoft will get the message, hello, change it. No, they didn't get it. Watch. So what do we got to do? We have to go back here. We have to go back here and we put the mouse there, minus 1 plus 1. Basically, we're adding and subtracting a number to make this happen. And now we're going to say zip, okay? Again, if I delete this column, everything falls apart. I need to say this, we're going to copy this one and paste it as a value. And if I remove this column, nothing will happen. Okay, now, I showed you a few Excel tricks, but some of these things can be really time consuming. There's an easy way to fix a lot of problems. This is leadcruncher.com. When you log into LeadCruncher, go to Data Manager. On the bottom right side, there's a couple of videos. You can upload your data to the site, and then you can do wonders. If you found this video useful, you find more content like it on my channel. We hear this from people all the time, but those little mouse clicks can really go a long way to help me in the algorithm. So please click the little thumb guide, please subscribe, and help yourself with all my tools linked in the description. These are tools me and my teams have developed over the years, tools I wish I had when I started working in real estate. Thanks for watching and have a great day.